I tried the flavor and everything, and trust me, it's either exactly the same thing. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we're always smiling. Now you guys have been asking for this for a very long time. Every single day I'm getting like an email or a message on my website asking for the sorrel jelly, sorrel jelly, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. So much times being asked. Now, the sorrel jelly is basically a very easy dish to be made. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be offering on my website the dried sorrel petals. So if you want to try this at home, you can do it. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the instruction on how to get it. Maybe it's going to be exactly like it or a little bit different, I don't know, because it's very basic ingredients. It's just sorrel, spices, pepper, some lime juice, some sugar. It's almost like you're making a jam, so it's really not the most technical dish. So we want to try it today. You guys can try it as well, and as I said, you can go online to my website and you can buy the sorrel petals, so you guys can feel free to do that. And if you want to make sorrel drinks, feel free to go ahead and do that. Alright, let's give it a try and hopefully it's successful. So we took about half of the pack. I'm throwing some water in there to boil it up, and then we'll be good. Left the sorrel in there for like maybe, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and it's already really red and it's not even boiling as yet. So I'm gonna put it on the fire really quick. Get it started. Alright, so we have a slight little simmer going on with our pot. So what I'm gonna do is just to add some Jamaican spices, some pepper, ginger, pimento, a couple cloves are in there. That's it. Add a little flavor. My advice, do them big enough so that when you want to, strain it out, you can get out the ginger really easily. Alright, that should be it. Cover it back down now. So there's a very famous fire burning wood in Jamaica. I don't know what it's called, but guys, tell me the name, because I'm thinking that this is it. This little piece of timber here has been burning like forever, like the ones with the red. Yo, it is so incredible. Alright, so this is basically reduced all the way down. There's still a lot of petals in there, so what I'm going to do is actually remove maybe a few. I could leave them. I'll remove some of them. I don't think I want so much inside of it, but I'm gonna leave just a little bit back for texture. But if you want to leave them in there, you can do that, but I think it's going to be too humbugging to have all those in there. Yo, this fire is wicked hot, bruh. So basically this is about 2 limes. Well, this is 2 limes. So I'm gonna add about 1 of them just to see what it's gonna taste like. So far I've removed basically all of the petals. So what I'm gonna do is to cut up a couple of them to have texture, but I don't want a whole flower inside of it. It's gonna be, minced up a bit so you get some texture. But yeah, and then I'm gonna come back, add some pimentos and stuff like that again, and add some sugar. And it reduce, and then that should be it. But let me just cut up some of these really quick. Alright, honestly I don't remember what flower this is. Some persons say hibiscus, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a sorrel plant, the flower, But anyway, that's basically what it looks like. You do have a rare case where it's white. So if you don't like the feel or texture in your jelly or whatever, then don't do this. If you don't mind it a bit, then do a little. And if you really like feeling that, then do a lot. Makes sense? Makes sense. So I don't want it to be messing with my dish too much. I just want to know that it's there. And I think that this amount should be fine. I'm just gonna add this back to the pan. Where's the pot? And then add some pimentos. Love pimentos, man. Drop that in. And I'm gonna give it a little stir. Now remember, the sugar is going to make this thicken up when it caramelizes, so yeah. Do I have rum? If I had rum, I'd throw some rum in this, trust me. But anyway. Let me just taste this without the sugar. Nice spice to it. Definitely wouldn't use 2 limes. I think 1 lime is enough. Or even half. Definitely not 2 limes for this size. And then just, I don't know how much sugar I'm adding. I'm just gonna add enough to the point where it's sweet. I mean, if you know how to make a jam, then basically you're using a jam technique. Gonna add a little bit more sugar. Definitely, yeah, I don't think I would go with the 1 lime. Half a lime should be fine. But let's see. I'm gonna just boil all the way down as much as I can until it's a bit more gelatinous. Alright, so it's gradually getting thicker. Not quite thick as it, but it's getting thicker. And one thing you realize with that actual sun-dried sorrel is that I think that packet could make maybe half a gallon to a gallon, because this is like really rich. So I never thought it would have been so red because it's, you know, dried, but yeah, it's really good. Let's cover it down and give it some time to bubble over, and then we should be alright. Alright guys, so the sauce is basically done. Even though you see a bit runny right here, as soon as it cools down, it's going to maybe thicken up by 40–50%, I don't know. I tried the flavor and everything, and trust me, it's either exactly the same thing or like a slight little difference, but it's fantastic. So anyway, let's take it off really quick and roast some plantain. Alright, and that's basically it for you catch it. Yeah. This is definitely it. Got it. If you guys definitely want to get this whenever it's back in stock, just check my website and I'll definitely put this back up there. But if you want to have the chance to actually make your own sorrel products, whether it's like, for example, this, the sorrel drink, which is, it's super popular in Jamaica. It's really good. Now, for some reason, it's no longer only available in Christmas time. You can drink sorrel anytime around the year. I was skeptical about buying this product actually, but after using it, see, I only used like half pack and I got a really nice flavorful jam. And as I said before, I think this should be able to make, I would say, half a gallon of really rich sorrel. I'll probably test it out for myself to figure out. But anyway guys, remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.